We are covering right triangle trigonometry for the AFOQT Math Knowledge subtest. The key to almost every trigonometry problem you'll see is the mnemonic SOHCAHTOA. This stands for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. On the exam, you won't just be asked to find the sine of an angle. Instead, you'll get a word problem, like determining the height of a tower. For example, if you are standing 100 feet from the base of a tower and the angle of elevation to the top is 30 degrees, you would use the tangent function. Tangent of 30 degrees equals the tower's height, the opposite side, divided by your distance from it, 100 feet, which is the adjacent side. This brings us to the special triangles, which are a major shortcut. The AFOQT loves to use angles of 30, 45, and 60 degrees because they don't require a calculator if you know the rules. First is the 45-45-90 triangle, which is an isosceles right triangle. Its sides are in a ratio of 1 to 1 to the square root of 2. This means the sine and cosine of 45 degrees are identical, 1 over the square root of 2, which rationalizes to the square root of 2 over 2. The second special triangle is the 30-60-90 triangle. Its sides are in a ratio of 1 to the square root of 3 to 2. A common exam trap is mixing up which side is which. Remember, the shortest side is always opposite the smallest angle. So the side opposite the 30-degree angle is 1. The side opposite the 60-degree angle is the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse, opposite the 90-degree angle, is 2. This means the sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2, a value you must have memorized. Another useful tool is the Pythagorean identity. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. If a question gives you the sine of an angle and asks for the cosine, you can use this formula to solve it without ever drawing a triangle. The one phrase to lock this all in is simply repeating the mnemonic, SOHCAHTOA. It is the key to setting up the problem correctly, which is the hardest part. The AFOQT keeps trigonometry at the right triangle level, so you won't need to worry about the unit circle or more advanced concepts. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.